Welcome to the Limpopo Online TV. I'm still here hanging out with the Black Race fam. So we just want to dig a little bit of the South Africa, so rituamba rifane usikune understand na rite uri riwane suzuno fara ribike zobivao Limpopo Online TV, Van Web Radio, Chivenda Music Entertainment. That's the word so gents, you guys are the Black Race fam.
The Black Race fam, man, the fam.
The family is the family. It's the family. Yeah. Okay. You guys got here late. Okay.
Yeah, probably as we spoken about the time, you know, some people they don't be honest.
I know the person. At one point the culprit will be, but I know that person.
That's why we've been late. Actually, myself, I was early.
Yeah, you're the first.
Yeah, I was the first one.
Say cool
Other people they just.
No, it's how artists work.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start from, I don't know, should we start here or you start there, then you can introduce yourself?
Anyway, it's fine.
Okay, let's start from that side, Uri. Okay, the Black Race fam. Ni nyula nangei nakubona musuri kutangana mindi mrapper ni mwali the producer ngora.
Okay.
A bit louder? Yeah.
But the big DJ, they call me DJ Spitty.
Oh, so who share who took sangane ngara? I don't understand. Okay, DJ's Pete. Okay, and then?
Yeah, myself and my name is Paul. Real name, I'm from Mozambique.
It's my favorite place.
I'm staying in Protea South, and this is my family, Black
Race family.
And I'm a DJ myself. I'm DJ Kelvin.
Okay.
I'm doing bit for the while in this industry. So I hope we're good family.
Okay, DJ Kelvin.
We are good.
Good.
Yeah. Negos the negotiator.
Okay, seems like when you get a hostage, you call him to negotiate for you.
Yeah.
He's the negotiator.
I'm good, man.
Yeah, man, I know.
I go by the name Tepo, that's my real name. Then my stage name is 4G, like I said. Yeah, so that's all about me. I'm from Protea South. Yeah, Mozambique in the same time. That's all about it. Yeah,
all of us.
Yeah. Okay, so let's look at this. So this is the Black Race family. So as a crew, you perform as a crew or you perform as individually? Is it like just a normal crew like you see your squatter camp, your township frequency, you know, NWA, all those things?
Sometimes we perform as crew, sometimes as individuals.
Okay.
Depend on what Black Race family. About the whole family.
Individuals.
Individual. But the numbers of individual,
which
just
means
to support.
So you do the packaging.
Yeah.
Wow, that's great. So this is 2019. 2019 Yosika, 2019 is here. Everybody's talking about, you know what, I got these plans, I want to do this, I want to see myself there. So for you guys in 2019 as a family, what do you want to see yourself? You know, which direction you want to take in 2019?
Yeah, I don't say that much. I want to see myself maybe on that way. No, I'm saying that I don't want to push for my side. I want to push for the family.
Yeah.
Black Race. So we want a Black Race to grow. What we wasn't expecting that, and that's all. So we need that to be family, to be stronger together, and to be honest. That will push us to be far, to go where we want to be.
Yeah, dedication. You know that we'll be where we want to be. The plan is to be successful still.
Yeah, it's 2019, so what I'm seeing forward, it's a development, you know, a change. We need to see some progress
Yeah.
as we go forward. We cannot be standing on the same place.
That's
yeah,
true.
There has to be a different.
Because we have a clothing line also. We want to see it sell.
Man,
We want to see it in the
You should have
shops.
brought something so we can show the people, you know what I mean? But then that is something for another day, which means we need to organize for that. Probably I'm gonna come over and then we chill.
Yeah.
You know, we have great
We should
time
do
and
that.
then we put out the brand.
Yeah,
Because
we should do
the plan is to put everyone out there. The plan is to put those products so
Yeah.
that people can know about it.
Yeah,
You know, all the followers and everybody that follow me
Yeah.
should be able to see what you guys do. Should be
Yeah.
able to see that you have a brand. You never know who loves your brand.
Correct.
Yeah, you see. So next time, make sure that you know we got everything out there in the public.
The thing is, we should have been rocking the brand now.
Yeah.
we should have.
What-
And actually, there's some point.
Oh, because we're still rebranding.
Yeah, we still
We do
bring-
have
so
like
we'll be busy with it.
t-shirts, like caps. Probably the person who's carrying those things right now, she's not even here.
Eish.
And then she
Yeah.
promised that since she said to us she's on the way, but until right now
Not
she's
here.
not here. Right?
Yeah, we got a
That
model.
was something we're supposed to show in our platform, show our people going to watch us, people going to maybe they want to support us. So
No,
we
this is
don't
not.
say that.
This is not the end. This is the beginning of the greater things.
Yeah.
We're still gonna have more interviews. We're still gonna have more product that we're gonna show all people that are watching, streaming, people that will be listening, downloading through audios and all those things. So this is the beginning, which means we're still gonna now, like right now, Bash Divazori, these guys own a brand.
Yeah.
It's not just like any other brand that somebody just comes and says, hey, I got a t-shirt. Next week the t-shirt is gone.
It's gone.
Yeah, I've seen the t-shirt because, okay, I'm somebody that's always checking what's going around in this world.
Yeah.
You never know where I am, you never know what I'm checking. So I've seen them, but I'm hoping next time we'll have them.
Yeah.
So,
Definitely.
Nina, I don't have much that I can ask you guys right now, but I need you guys to, because if I ask more questions, I might not ask certain stuff. You guys you know yourself more than I might have. So
Yeah,
I need you
yeah.
guys to be more open to these people that are watching so that they can be able to know what you guys all about as a Black Race fam.
Alright, let me start. Black Race Family in the Queen it was established in 2012. In our artist just over 10, and we have 2 models and 2 DJs. Na zwinji zvinhu zvavaona ufana na zviambaro riri ndinoamba, and then Rengsana's Beats, we have our own bedroom studio. Black Race Family is a family. We love each other. I love you, man. I don't go perera, man. I don't go perera. Kulo tengo perera. Na bono bolo shiga bang mamishimon bang wane pone yeah. That's all I can say. But black means heart. You know, that in the morning was black and brown. So it's a black race. Yeah. It's a racist. We're not racist, by the way.
Yeah, we know it. No,
Speaking of that, also racism, we are not. We love everyone, community, neighborhood.
Yeah, we got the voice.
And
The voice.
We got the spirit of the rainbow nation.
and our spirit is to help our community, our neighborhood. Besides that, we helping people from
All different places.
So I hope whoever want to support us, want to be our sponsors. We do have a charity in our community. Our charity is about to help children, and when I'm saying to helping the children, I'm saying the orphan people. Children who have lost their parents, they're staying with. So we don't have that much for right now to support a lot of children, but whatever we have right now, and we do support them. And we need people who have, and then a little bit, we don't say we need a money to support us. Because people, they have a different mind, right? They all think that mind that guy or that guy took a money put in his pocket that and that didn't help the community, the charity. No. Whatever you guys have, what I mean is the clothes, the one maybe you're not using, and uniform they're not using, schools not using. Well, there's this children right now in this moment. What I'm talking about is they didn't even attend school because of somewhere somehow they don't have or they didn't manage to. So we need you, our view, to support us for that, to see our children to go to school, to be someone at society, to be someone in the future. So I hope everyone have that good heart to help that kids, the ones in the street, and we're all good about it. And then as a Black Race family, and we hope each one of us have a good heart to help and then to be more strong in family and society. That's good.
Yeah, like what he's saying, if you have something, it's not about money, it's about what you have. The little you have, if you can share or you can donate, they want to help those kids that have nothing. You know, there's those families now already. Mita honyo sarana bana page. Auna no kushuma ndibana. Ara na chimochi chitukutuku. Kwa mana ni nabo. Ara ni one ni chinga kono tusa. Ni tuse. Uri nabo ba kono tusa ba. That's what
nema.
Na never bangatinta on Limpopo Line TV, Chivenda Music and all that. Then the link na hawa batu. Ridoba linka as a team. Uri usike huneva bori ba kono donata. How about Wakonutusa? How about Unokoto Tusiwa? Vendrep Radio Rihone, Limpopo Line TV Rihone, WhatsApp Yashby Diva 08269371124. So now I'm going to Geneva Skibambe point in Otavanya. Who's the hi? How you doing? 2 days later, Mutabuya, hi, how you doing? This is Nuzabori, River West Spring, Amara Ambarazanya, Nevatanga Sanabo, Bakono donate, Bakono Tusa, Webana, Bori, Bako talk. And this was Calvina comes on the DJ.
And we also host events.
And we have, I'm not much sure, but I'll make sure that next time when we come back for that interview again, we'll announce when you're gonna be. But in my mind, with my guy also, we spoke about it to have events on April. But we're supposed to have on Good Friday, but it can't be able to happen on Good Friday because of Good Friday. And then people they going to church, that and that. But we just putting on 20, which means it's a Saturday, well Saturday. So if any income there, I'll be able to communicate guys to forward and to let you guys know that it's gonna be happen on Saturday.
And we'll post on social media.
Yeah. So for now, we still forward about it, and then we're still waiting for that. And if in case that's gonna happen, we will post it on social media, which means on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. So I hope it's gonna be good, and me myself, I know that.
Thank you, Mr. Manager. And
I can do it, and then because this event is about all charities.
Yeah, it's about that. And there's also events we host like yearly. The Charged Up was launched 2017. We host an event called the Charged Up Show. Yeah, by far the event is big, but we show already this year they were bigger and better, and we're hoping to book artist.
Come on, we're here to help you guys market the whole thing. You know what? We're here. You know, Chivenda, music and entertainment. We help you marketing. Like Rukwamba. I don't know when I chipaza, when I shop, or ringers, no ringers, where Rukwama, write advert, write panga. Arapochaja mutu rimeka hizo zitu husu zino so zino ni mahara riva tusana advert riva tusana biography razipanga online this is not a zone
Great things.
Yeah.
What's up?
And so speaking about events, we want to making good events. We can afford it that big events, but we will. And we're just having that ourselves in our family, Black Race family, a contribution of little money for that event. So whoever is a family of Black Race, and then even if you not, you want to support us, you can support us, and our contribution is 100 rand a month. Our members, to that money where it's going is we will open a bank account.
You're exposing our budget, though.
Don't worry, wait. And for right now, we will open a bank account, and then that money we will put in the bank account until we find it our fine, the month we want to buy some. I don't say what we're gonna buy.
Okay, let's commit ourselves. Ne? This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna give these guys stock. Ne? End of this month. So we're making a deal with them. When we finish offline, we make a deal. I'm gonna provide them with stock. Whatever they're gonna do with the stock, we'll negotiate and we'll discuss. Madulu Chere is going to Black Race. We wanna help those needy also.
Great
so somewhere, somehow, we'll put the stock to them, and we see how whatever we made out of that, how can we make it grow.
Great things.
So as Chivenda Music, Maduru Chere, that's what we're about to do. So in closing, you guys, what you about to say?
Hey, I think our manager called me. We close first. You can close up, man.
Yeah, as I was saying,
Closing, wrapping it up.
we're just expecting some good stuff
Big
in the
things.
future. And,
Big things, man. The future is
as
now.
this is 2019, we want to grow, to be stronger.
Okay,
Yeah, and to get the Black Race beats,
you heard it?
go to my account. Remember, the negotiator JRS. And yeah, I think in the number Zanga.
You can repeat them again.
All right, that one is 076 735 2371. Is 076 735 2371. You'll get negotiator bits. My beats are sick, man. I want the same business.
Okay, Liduga is one and one and one Hunguni. Signature was Diva. We're still here, Limpopo Online TV, Nema Media, Chivenda Music and Entertainment. We still have Madu Ruchere. Now we're about to drop you Madi Ruchere. Natia Hone. It's Madu Ruchere Vitamin T. It's not our caso. Mara Husino, Abarinya Marare, Richope, the Dumbo Sukare, Abarquame 0826937124. Our WhatsApp. Email Dinema Media at gmail.com. Aba download the app yashu. Plus also check out for new our Van Rap Radio. But it's the best music ever from all over the world. Nda.